Meaning of fir.
Fur.
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 Fir. Fir refers to a type of evergreen tree, typically found in cold or temperate regions. These trees are known for their conical shape, with spire-like tops and soft needles that grow in rows. Fir trees are popular for use as Christmas trees due to their attractive appearance and pleasant scent. They are also used in construction, particularly for the production of paper and lumber. However, fir forests are vulnerable to environmental threats such as climate change and logging, which can have serious consequences for local ecosystems and communities.